Thank you for this question. Inspirations, sometimes we think that comes, I don't know, like a vision or like a poem or like a thought. We think about that. Sometimes can be also that, but usually inspiration comes from life. Maybe you get some information that you need in that moment from a friend or a colleague or a family member, or maybe a car cross you and you see something in that car. So it is not something that goes necessary, I cannot say, through you like, oh, I have the inspiration. Mm. Or waiting inspiration. Mm. But it is to be open to life. Mm. Maybe someone offer you something and you are open to take it. Or maybe a leaf fall in front of you. And that is the message from the divine intelligence. Or maybe you look a cloud in the sky and then you get some information from there. Or maybe as a Googling, you can Google something. So actually you don't have to know where the inspiration comes from and how. But you have to do the cleaning, to say, I love you, thank you, whatever. And you go back to zero. And that's all.